Okay, this video is to help with question 7 from assignment 9.4, finding the sum of these terms. And it looks like we're adding 2 over 2 each time, which is 1, like adding 1. This is arithmetic series. And to find the sum of the arithmetic, there's a formula, right? This whole chapter is just a bunch of formulas. It says the sum of n terms will be n, however many terms you have, divided by 2. And then you have to add the first term, a sub 1, plus the last term, a sub n, right? So on some of the previous questions, we had to figure out what is the n number, like what is this term? This 15 over 2 is the 10th term, the 4th term, the 3rd term, whatever. And in this case, actually tell us it's 8 because it's 8 terms total. So we know that it goes first, second, third, dot, 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 and then this is the 8th term. So in our formula, we actually have everything we need. We have 8 terms. So 8 over 2, the first term is the 1/2. The last term is the 15 over 2. And then we just got to clean this up. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 1/2 plus 15 halves would be 16 halves. And then this comes out nice and neat because 16 halves is 8. And so you multiply 4 times 8. So our sum here is 32 if we added these 8 terms together.